Hey everybody, today we're going to have a nice little tutorial on using type as a layer mask. You can see in this section I have a few different fonts and underneath is some different colors, and it's just using the outlines of those type to create my layer mask. So today we're going to do some French fries because I'm feeling a little hungry. I've got my picture that I've embedded. Remember, that's File, Place Embedded, and then on your computer, wherever you get your pictures. We've done that. We'll go to our type tool and click and drag. And you see it fills in with the lorem ipsum. Over here at the top right in properties in my character, it says the different fonts I've got. Let's use something a little bigger. That looks great. A nice heavy one there. Maybe I'll go a little larger on my type. And while it's also selected, I'm going to type in fries. And if you can't see your words, if it looks like this because there's a little plus button, that means that your text is too big to display inside this box, and you'll need to resize your type box until you can see it. So I've got this. Let's just go ahead and say Control C, Control V. We'll do this a couple times. You see there, when I pasted it, it was too big to fit there. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to drag it onto my fries. So let's try this. Let's say select and subject. Let's see what it does. Did a pretty good job. I'm going to use my add to selection area and actually just do this. Let's do that again. So I did Control D to deselect. I went to my select menu. I said select subject. I'm on my fries type layer. It did a pretty good job of getting them. It missed parts of my letters. So I go to my quick selection tool, make sure you're on plus. And normally we try to be very careful about selecting inside these areas. But because this type layer only has pixels on the letters, I can just do a big selection area like this and let go, and it snaps down to the edges there. And so that worked. That's my letters. They're right there. We'll adjust the size here in a minute. But first, let's just show you if we've got this. We've got selected. We say create layer mask. And at first, that seems like, okay, nothing is happening there. Now I'm going to drag the layer mask, actually right here next to fries layer, the little black and white one. Drag that onto layer 2, and it should create it blocked it at first because this still has type here. But you'll see when I did that, it made my fries layer, the layer 2, that's what that's called, had that mask applied to it. And the reason I don't see anything right now is because this fries layer of type is just black, just solid black pixels. So I turn off the visibility there, and now I can see my fries underneath. Let's see. That's one. So how we do that? What else do I want to do? What if I want to adjust the size of these? I could say select this. You certainly could come back to your type tool, double click in the letters here. There we go. Select those letters, and instead of 72 point, let's type in 160. It should be a lot bigger. Our fries now. I'll position this over here. And I'm going to go ahead and delete that layer mask. And now with this one, my new fries layer, I'm actually just going to go right to my selection tool and do that. I'm just going to skip my usual select subject. And now again, layer mask, drag the layer mask to layer 2, turn off the visibility, and I've got my nice fries layer here. Now we can move things around. Thanks.